Another reason why it's absolutely critical that you have a written operating agreement for your LLC is you need to answer the question, what happens to this business when somebody wants out? Eventually, one of the business owners was going to want to retire, somebody will want to move on to new business ventures, or worst case scenario, one of the business partners is so fed up with the others that it's simply time to part ways. And planning for this scenario is perhaps the most difficult part of drafting a really good operating agreement. But it's a lot easier to figure these things out while everyone likes and trusts or at least respects each other than after a dispute has come up. So the company operating agreement should address some of the common buy-sell scenarios, and it should explain in detail the terms of any sale of membership interest in the company. Now, buy-sell provisions can easily be a whole series of videos, but there are a few things that you should consider. One, how will the members agree on a value for the company? What is one partner share of the company actually going to be worth, and how are we going to make that calculation? Two, will the agreed upon purchase price be paid all at once? And if so, how is the company or the remaining partners going to be able to afford to do so? Or will that buyout take place over some period of time? Three, under what circumstances can or should a business partner be forced out of the picture? And if any of the partners are also employees of the company, what happens to their ownership interests if that partner employee has to be fired from their employment? Number four, can partners leave their share of a business to their heirs? In other words, do you want to inherit your partner's spouse or their children as future business partners if something should happen to them? Number five, can partners buy each other out and potentially become majority owners in the process? Or should they have to offer to sell their interest in the company to the company itself so that all the partners maintain the same playing field or same interest level in the business? Number six, what happens if one of your business partners gets divorced? And number seven, what are the tax implications of any potential sale? So as you can see, there's a lot to work through here, but very important questions that the operating agreement, if properly drafted, should address.